I know y'all. I haven't been uploading with you, blase. I'm just trying to get y'all the best shit. But right now, I'm just like, whatever.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Why am I racing on? My standard is too high, just above everyone. I see the makeup, but that can't make up your mistakes. Just tell me your truth, I'm begging you, and I'll leave you be and live my truth. Stop holding on to lies. Just say goodbye.
Push back to the gate, fasten the seatbelts, raise your seat back to the tray table to the full upright and lock position.
Landed in Baltimore, bro. Like Baltimore. I'm gonna be honest, bro. This spot gloomy. I can't even lie. I like it, and all I'm seeing is dead trees. Like, I don't know if y'all can see it. Like, just cause I'm a little gothy, bro. I'm a little emo. So, bro, like, I be messing with it, but at the same time, it's like, I want to see some green, bro. Not just dirt, spit, piss, and all. A dark, solemn sky. I ain't gonna lie, I know y'all probably already saw like little montage, whatever. Yeah, with you, I know. Getting good. Just got this Airbnb and up in Florida. But they had a whole gate and everything, bro. This feel like a movie. I could walk outside, like, and I could, what am I talking about? I'm yapping. How you doing today? I'm waiting for y'all. I'm like, damn, bro, like, how y'all doing today? Y'all doing good, man? That's fire. Oh, thank you for asking, bro. I'm doing good, too. I'm doing good today. Saying, been a pretty chill day. Pretty chill day today. Yeah, they all screaming and all that. I'm not anxious or anything to go see what's back there. You know, cause I'm nonchalant. I'm playing, bro. What am I talking about? What? Oh me, what? Nigga, what? Present Dior. I'm up in all stores. Bro. Nigga, what? Oh no, these niggas got it. What? Like, bro, what these niggas doing, like, bro? Nigga, this is in it. Nigga, this is the crib, nigga. This is the crib. This is the crib. This is the crib. Hit on this. That joint is fire. What? Bro. Oh, bro, that's hard. Bro, that's fire. Yo. Look at this, bro. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm gonna keep it a buck 50, right? The crib, bro. I get my crib. This gotta happen. I'm gonna be honest. Not this exactly, but bro, I gotta get something. Okay. They got, you feel me? You feel me? Calm. Look at this. Bro. Who are y'all meeting up with? Goku. Look, and it got no black. Oh my God, the black walls and everything. We got a movie theater. I gotta invite some diddies. I got to. It has to happen. I'm parking for a minute. Bro, this is. Are you serious, bro? Are y'all serious right now? Are you serious right now? You see this, bro? Are y'all really getting the full angle? Invite some. They got it. They got it. Look at this, bro. Chanel right there, bro. What? I don't even. Oh my God, can I? Oh my God, I know I gotta send it. Get a little bit in that beat for the time. Minecraft. Diary of Wimpy Have you ever peed in a swimming pool?
Look at the pants.
She pretty, but she got a
There's so many ideas for like. This oh Lord!
So when I tell you watch your back, so just know I ain't using time. But in Japan, you speak your native